Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, features, and specifications. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tata Harrier, one of the most talked about SUVs in the market. With its bold design, advanced features, and robust performance, the Harrier stands out as a premium offering from Tata Motors. Starting with its design, the Tata Harrier makes a striking first impression with its imposing front grille, sleek LED DRLs, and projector headlamps that add a modern yet aggressive look. The bold stance, sculpted body lines, and stylish alloy wheels give it an unmistakable road presence. The floating roof design with the unique blacked-out pillars further enhances its appeal, making it look dynamic from every angle. Under the hood, the Harrier is powered by a reliable 2.0-liter Cryotech diesel engine that delivers impressive power and torque. This engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed manual or an advanced 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a refined and powerful driving experience. The Harrier also features multiple drive modes such as Eco, City, and Sport, which adapt to your driving style and provide optimal performance in different conditions. For those who enjoy off-road adventures, the terrain response modes make tackling rough terrain or tricky surfaces a breeze. The interiors of the Tata Harrier are all about comfort and sophistication. With premium materials and a spacious cabin, it offers a plush feel. The seats are well cushioned, providing excellent support for long journeys. The driver's seat is adjustable, ensuring you find the perfect driving position. The rear seats are equally comfortable, offering ample legroom and headroom for passengers. The panoramic sunroof adds a touch of luxury and allows plenty of natural light to fill the cabin. The infotainment system is another highlight of the Harrier. Equipped with a large touchscreen display, it supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The sound system, developed by JBL, delivers an immersive audio experience, making your drives more enjoyable. Other features include a fully digital instrument cluster, keyless entry, push-button start, and cruise control, all designed to enhance convenience and functionality. Safety is a top priority in the Tata Harrier. It comes with a host of safety features, including 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill descent control, rear parking sensors with a camera, and ISO-FIX child seat mounts. The strong build quality and high-strength steel construction further add to its safety credentials, giving you peace of mind on every drive. The Tata Harrier also offers practicality with a generous boot space, making it perfect for family outings or long road trips. Its fuel efficiency ensures fewer stops at the pump, while the ride quality and suspension setup provide a smooth and comfortable experience even on uneven roads. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the Harrier delivers a confident and enjoyable ride. Overall, the Tata Harrier is a complete package that combines style, performance, comfort, and safety. It's designed for those who value both aesthetics and functionality in their vehicles. If you're looking for a premium SUV that offers great value for money, the Harrier should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the Tata Harrier. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews, specs, and features of the latest cars, don't forget to subscribe to Automotive Reviews TV. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.